In this video, I'm going to show you how to add brushes to Photoshop in 2026 step by step so you can quickly import new brush packs and start using them right away. This is a super helpful skill if you work with digital art, photo editing, illustration, or creative design because custom brushes can completely change your workflow and save you a ton of time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, beginner guides, and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Once the program is loaded, look at the top menu bar and go to Window, then click Brushes. This opens the dedicated Brushes panel, which is where Photoshop keeps your brush settings and brush libraries. If you do not see the panel right away, make sure you are in the right workspace and that Photoshop is fully loaded. Now that the Brushes panel is open, look to the top right corner of that panel. You'll see a small 4-line flyout menu icon, sometimes shown like a stacked menu button. Click that icon to open the Brush Options menu. This menu gives you access to extra actions for managing brushes, including importing new ones. From the drop-down menu, select Import Brushes. This is the option that allows you to load brush files into Photoshop. After you click it, a file browser window will appear on your screen. This is where you need to locate the brush file you want to add. Navigate to the folder where your .abr file is stored on your hard drive. The .abr file is the brush preset file format that Photoshop uses for brush packs. Once you find the correct file, click on it to select it, and then click Load or Open, depending on how your system labels the button. Photoshop will then import the brush set into the application. After the import is complete, go back to your brushes panel and check the bottom of the list. Your new brush set should appear instantly as a new organized folder. This is where Photoshop stores imported brush groups so you can expand the folder, preview the brushes, and start using them in your project right away. If you want to make it easier to find later, you can keep your brush packs organized by theme or project. For example, you might group watercolor brushes, texture brushes, ink brushes, or sketch brushes so your workflow stays clean and fast. The more organized your brushes are, the easier it becomes to work efficiently in Photoshop. And that's it. You've now learned how to add brushes to Photoshop using the Brushes panel and an .abr file. It's a simple process, but once you know it, you can expand your creative toolkit in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.